Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to remove installed theme in WordPress. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website dashboard. Now to delete a theme from our WordPress website, we are going to click on Appearance and then click on Themes from here. And here we will see all the themes that are currently installed on our WordPress website. Now to delete any theme from here, we are going to select the theme. And here on the bottom, we will see an option delete. So we are going to click on it and then click on OK. And as you can see that our theme is now deleted from our WordPress website. Another method that you can use to delete your theme from WordPress website is go to your web hosting file manager and then click on public_HTML, click on WP-content, click on themes. Select the theme that you want to delete, right click on it and then click on delete. Again click on delete. And now if I go back to my WordPress website dashboard, and as you can see that currently we have two themes, and now if I refresh it, as you can see that only one theme is available on our WordPress website. It means that theme is deleted from the file manager. So this is how you can delete a theme from your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.